Like, it looks so ugly. And I feel like I'm running out of space in my room. But it's fine. It's for the gains. Chicken sausage. I don't know where my parents are. We're bulldog and wine. After I drink alcohol, my skin looks so good. There's things everywhere. Hi. Guys, I still don't know what to do with the hoodie rack. Like, it looks so ugly. And I feel like I'm running out of space in my room. There's things everywhere. Like, okay, this is fine. Like, I think this looks cute. This is just getting too much. What is this? What is this? I also need to figure out how to like organize all my PR. So if you guys see any like organizing things, can you please send it to me because I need desperate help. It's lunchtime. I don't even know what we're gonna make today. I think we're gonna do like a little scramble. So here you go. Okay, I have like a whole bunch of ingredients here. I'm gonna chop up this chicken sausage. Chicken sausage. There's some ham here. Eat that. And I also have like a little tomato, so I'm gonna cut this open. Okay, we got some of the onions going, so I'm gonna add some tomato. I don't want to get my hands dirty, so we're just gonna go like this. Ah! Yes, ma'am. Girl, come here. Yeah. Cool. Add some seasoning. I might have added a little too much meat, but it's fine. It's for the gains. Like, it's fine. I'm gonna microwave a little bit of rice. I've been putting feta like on everything. I don't know why. I just love the flavor. Sprinkle it on. Okay. Here's the meal. Yeah, I think I put like a little too much meat, but it's okay. Still tastes good. I don't know where my parents are. Where's my phone? My vlog went up today. I absolutely love reading your comments. Like, it's my favorite part of my entire life, honestly. It like gives me so much purpose. You don't even understand. Like, oh my god, I love all your comments from like the bottom of my heart. This is so good. High protein. I freaking love chicken sausage. Like, this is my fixation of the month. I want to make like pasta and like put this in. It'd be so fire. Okay, I'm gonna eat in peace now. Bye bye. Want you to pop. Oh, I've had it. It's okay. Pop.
What is this? Ulster? Wait, how come they have a regular pretzel but not the other pretzel? Buildy! Oh, we're only using or less than one.
All of it?
All of it.
Yum.
Can you zoom on this?
Just a little
Power Bulldog in mine.
Just a little bit of that.
I need the max wing.
Oh, it's not bad. Here we go. Wait, I kind of want more spice.
You want the extra bulldog?
Yeah, I do. Seriously? Yeah. Okay, fine. Add some for me too. Just like a little. Oh, that's enough. Oh.
Spicy now?
Oh my god. Oh my god, my ears. Mmm.
I got home at like 1 a.m. That's the latest I've slept in a long time. Ugh. My face feels so puffy because I had a glass of wine last night. It's actually crazy because I used to drink like a lot and like I would be fine, but I don't drink anymore. So now when I drink, it's like my face is so puffy. But I don't know if it's just me, but like after I drink alcohol, my skin looks so good. Like, look at that. Oops. Look at the weather outside. So like, I think we might just like stay around here, or I don't even know if we should go outside. Like, it's kind of dangerous. Like, look outside in the backyard. Like, stuff is just like falling over. Hi. But anyway, yeah, like I'm scared that like the roads are gonna be closed and trees are gonna be falling all over, so it might be best to just stay home. So, we'll see. I'm gonna just lay in bed for like another 30 minutes because I'm so tired. Eventually, like all the like
emotions in response to like what the humans are doing. Like rain and everything, it's just a emotional response. She unleashes like all these disasters to show that she's like hurt.
Thank you.
That one's kind of nice though. It's like a little thicker, but I think it. Show the vlogger what you got.